Great news for Bleach Mirror's High, and as they promised, they will release new infos today, and they released a second trailer and even some sneak gameplays. The game will feature new two protagonist characters, and by the looks of it, you will choose from the two. And the two will have different story that will interact each other throughout the game. And the game will feature a gameplay that looks like 7 Deadly Sins Grand Cross. And as far as we know, the game will be free, so it will feature a gacha system. And lastly, for those who want to try the game, you can register to their closed beta. So, what do you think of Bleach Mirror's High? Tell us in the comment section and subscribe for more anime gaming content. Thanks for watching. Zed out.
Carve the future, Soul Reaper. Bleach Mirror's High. Closed beta test coming soon.